Hi guys. So I've put some vellum packs into my Etsy shop and I thought I'll quickly show them because the photos in Etsy that I took, they're not great. I find this stuff really hard to photograph actually. So I thought I'll quickly show it, and I'll just put a link to the video in my Etsy description. So if anyone's interested, they can see what it actually looks like. So these are all, I'm not sure what they're called, decorative vellum or vellum with little print designs on them. But I've got a few, I don't have too many packs, but I've got a few different designs that I'll show you. Okay, so the first one is these little blue hearts. Now I've got a white and a blue page here because I find some it's easier to show on white and some easier to show on a darker colour. So this is vellum, which is, if you don't know what it is, it's like a translucent paper. Kind of like they do wedding invites and stuff like that on. And they look really pretty in journals because you can fold them and whatever you put through can be seen from behind. So these are the patterned ones. This one is little blue hearts. Hope you can see that. And these pages are all A4 size, and I know we use like A4 and A3 and all that in Australia, and I think the UK does as well. But I've actually got the measurements in both metric and imperial in the Etsy comments. So, but it's pretty much pretty standard, regular photocopy page size, I suppose. So I've got little blue hearts. Now some designs I've got packs of 20 pages and some I've got packs of 10 pages. So these ones I've got packs of 20. So you'll get 20 sheets, but I've only got 4 packs of this one. Okay, so that's the little blue hearts. Sorry, putting them in plastic sleeves. Okay, then I've got some seaside vellum. And I've got this in different colours. So when I say seaside, like a seaside theme. So you can see when it goes on the white paper, it looks much darker. And this is like a metallic gold. So it's got little starfish and shells. That's what it looks like. And I've only got 1 pack of the gold in 20 sheets, and I've got a pack of 10 sheets as well, because I put some 10 packs because I know not everyone wants so many. 20 is a fair bit. I suppose it's not if you make journals regularly, but anyway, I thought I'd put some 20 and 10 packs. So I've got 1 20 pack of the gold and 1 10 pack. Then I've also got the same design in blue. This is the blue one. It's just a pale blue. I can't tell which is the right side up. Oh. I said my photographs in Etsy weren't that great, but it's really hard to show on camera as well. But you get the idea. Just wanted to more show the pattern. So that's the blue one. So those ones will be really good for, like, you know, ocean themed journals and stuff like that. So I've got 1 blue pack of 20 and 1 blue pack of 10. And this is silver. So it's the metallic silver as well. And this one, I don't have a lot of this one. The silver, I've only got 1 pack of 10. Okay, this one is a blue daisy design. I really like these ones. These are really pretty. Actually, this one I find it's easier to see on a blue background. So they're little white petals and little blue center. Aren't they cute? I really like these ones. Just to give you an idea of how big the daisy is. I really think this one's cute, and this one could be used in so many journals. Actually, I was thinking as well, I've got a few sheets that I've kept for myself as well. You could also cut them to make little embellishments and stuff, like, sorry, now I'm just going off tangent, aren't I? Thinking they look really good on book page or something, music page. Okay, so that's the blue one. I think I've got a few of these. Hold on. So the blue daisy, I've got 3 packs of 20 and 1 pack of 10. Then I've got that same design with the daisies in yellow. The same little white petals, but these ones have yellow centers. Proper little daisies. Yeah, it's easier to see on the blue. But I've only got 1 pack of 20 of the yellow daisies. So I have listed all of these separately in Etsy. So pretty much what you see is that's all I've got there. I won't be restocking it. I really like this one. This is gold leaves and vine, but you know the seaside patterns, those were metallic. This one's not a metallic gold. Hope you can see that. I don't know, in Etsy I've got it listed as gold leaves / vine pattern or something because I'm not sure what you call this pattern, but I think it's really pretty. It would look so nice in botanical and nature themed and all that, or even just vintagey because of the colour. Actually, you can see the pattern better when they're all stacked on top of each other like that. So I've only got 1 pack of 20 of the gold leaf, or vine, gold leaves and vine. Then this one is the same pattern. This one's hard to see. Actually, this one, I don't know why I'm showing. This one's already sold. I only had 1 pack of this clear. It's that same leaf vine pattern, but it's clear. And I only had 1 pack of 20 of that. And that one already sold. Okay, then I've got 2 mixed packs, which has some of the designs you've just seen, plus a couple of others, and I'll show you. Okay, I've got 2 mixed packs. They're kind of the same, but a little different. So this one in Etsy, I'm going to call this Mixed Vellum Pack A, just so you can tell between A and B. Okay, so this pack has one of the clear leaves or vine. Oops, no, wait. 1, 2, it's got 3 sheets of the clear leaves or vine pattern. It's got 1 of the gold. How am I going to show this? Let me move that over. Okay, 3 of the clear. It's got 1 of the gold leaf vine pattern. This is my favourite, but I hardly had any sheets of this. Okay, I don't know if you can see that properly, but this is daisies, but big daisies. All like clustered together, and it's a shame it doesn't come up very well on camera, but in real life it actually has depth to it because there's flowers on top and some underneath. And this one, I only had about 5 or 6 sheets of this, and I've put a few in journals already. So there's one of the, it's kind of, yeah, it's gold as well. And then there's 2 sheets of the big daisy, but in blue, and this one is really beautiful. I wish I had more of this. The big daisies in gold and blue are my favourite. Then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of the hearts, but in red. There's 1 page of the hearts in blue. One of the gold seashells. And 1, 2, 3 of the blue seashells. There's 2 of the yellow daisy. Oh, this doesn't show up on white paper. You can see that. And there's 2 of the small blue daisy. Okay, so because I've only got 2 mixed packs in it, see there's 20 pages in each mixed pack. Yeah, you'll see this one as pack A. And I'll mark this one as pack B. This one is kind of the same, a few pages are different. Okay, so it's got 1, oops, I've mixed these up, sorry. It's got 2 of the gold vine and leaf pattern. It's got 1, 2, it's got 3 of the clear leaf and vine pattern. It's got 1 of those big daisies. Oh, I love this one. It's got 1 of the big blue daisies. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the red hearts. It's got 1 of the blue hearts. 1, 2. It's got 3 of the blue seashells. Oh, 2 of the yellow daisies. Two of the blue daisies, and it's got 1 red daisies. I only had 1 sheet of this left of the red. Okay, so that mixed one is pack B in Etsy. All of those are already listed in my Etsy except the 2 mixed packs, which I'll upload into Etsy now, so should be Should be in there once this video posts, if not shortly after. And I've put these reasonably priced for vellum. I know in Australia vellum is a bit expensive. I'm not sure about overseas. But that's it. And yeah, these are the only packs I've got, sorry. So once these are gone, I won't be listing anymore because I'll be all out of it. And I've got a few other packs that I will share later today. And some happy mail and some news, which I'll talk about in a happy mail. Anyway, that's it. And thanks for watching.